My name is Chemonges Divas, community tour guide. I'm going to hike with you.
You're going to hike with us?
Chemonges Divas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chemonges.
It's not the only place to, of course, to visit.
Yeah.
We have quite a number of places.
So from here, where do you think we can go next?
I think from here.
Oh, you're tired already that we can't proceed.
You know, since I have, since I already started this journey and I have that urge for adventure.
Yeah.
I think we need to accomplish the journey. This is SISIYI Falls. We need to go and have a look at the Sipi Falls.
Okay, so you want us to do a comparison of SISIYI Falls
and Sipi
Falls?
Yes.
Okay, let's take on the challenge. We are going to visit the Sipi Falls right now. Let's just right now we are resting just a few minutes, then we head to the Sipi Falls. So let's head to the Sipi Falls and see how it goes. For now, let's see you there. Cheers.
Was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't let
Mbale district,
yes.
To Sironko.
Yes.
It is not good. Yes. When you are driving, just go in low gears, like number 1, number 2, number 3, just slowly.
Okay.
Yes. When you are coming back to Sipi Falls.
Very steep. Why? Is it where he got the accident?
Yes.
Yeah. Where he got an accident?
He was riding on a border.
Yeah.
Yes.
He was the one riding.
Yes.
Ah, sorry.
Yes. Even we lose one child.
He was also on the bike.
Yeah. Yes.
Sorry.
Yes. Even yesterday, some visitors
came again. He got
an accident from there.
Yes. It was 2 families here.
Sorry.
Yes.
So are you getting treatment?
I'm
slowly. Yes, just slowly. You know, we are just collecting some money. We go and scan,
Okay.
Yes.
So what?
The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay strong. You're never alone. You're never alone. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah. The sun will shine. The sun will shine.
This is a natural bridge. This water is passing underground, underneath.
So who made this bridge?
It's made by God.
By God?
Yeah.
Are you sure that this thing was not dug and covered?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is the one that goes down to
The second one.
Sipi River.
Yeah.
Wow. Safe?
Yeah.
And it's not, these are both of the minerals, not far from the diamonds. So the white one is called minetic one and the black one is called smoky quartz.
Say they make these are
and if you put inside the house, it's not like later, they light. So we are the that's why we put here, because you know we put samples. We bring this in. We sell it.
how much you sell?
Depends.
But what are their functions? What are their
So-
what can we use them for?
So people, if they buy, join the small pieces together, white, black, like that. Every color they join like this. That time you put like 1 liter, a piece of the rope, they looks.
Okay.
So if the one that
Maybe when I was
so
back.
that there is some of the visitors they can just appreciate and the some they buy.
Also
Depends
venue.
they had.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay. Thank you so much. Let's first go up and see what's up.
Sipi Falls.
Different from SISIYI.
Sipi. Sipi Falls.
Yeah, you know SISIYI?
Yeah.
You know SISIYI Falls?
Yeah, you know.
Is it bigger than this?
I know this one is bigger than them.
No way.
For sure.
This one.
And I told you the height of this one is 85.
SISIYI is what?
I think that one is 8.
From SISIYI right now. We're from SISIYI right now, so we know.
Yo.
Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. I feel unbreakable. My, oh my, my, oh my, a kiss, and so I did.
Zaman gulna ko sa forozan. Ilan naman siyang nasalam sa latin zaman din. Jab na. Ay katil ay zulum ay hasad ay fasad. Ay nahib ay kadip ay tama ay kharab. Zulum sa latin zaman din. Jab na.
From Sipi Falls to Sipi River. Yeah.
Kam huruf rusen nagawa mo. كم خراب في بلاد نجابو كم هروب فروسين قومو كم خراب في بلاد نجابو واللي بيكلم في عدالة.
He gave. So now my father also just like that, as we are Ugandans and friends as you. Yeah?
So you have big land here?
Yeah, I have. Just here even.
Are you selling also?
Selling, it is negotiable, sir. It is small monkeys. When you have small monkeys, anyway, a plot can serve, yeah? And then you start from there. That's why missionary grant started like that. That's why we have grown also me. I have children, whatever. So greet all people from home.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Last night I had a dream of us coming together. Last night in my dream I saw unity. I had a taste of democracy, and I felt safe. East to the west and south to the north, people were living in peace.